Hey, flower, pencil, sidewalk, king candy, and wizard candy. Yes? We are going to a store to buy a new microwave because you just wrecked our favorite microwave. Why? Because you need to do your best behavior. Okay? I promise. Let's go to the store. Okay, so we're getting a microwave. Choose what you need to choose. Well, should we just choose the magnifying glass? I'm sorry, Flower, Pencil, Sidebug, King Candy, Wizard Jane. We're sorry that we can't get the magnifying glass. Let's just get this microwave. Okay, fine, we'll get it. Why we should get it? Because our microwave is going to beat that. I promise we get that. If you do something bad, you will be grounded. You'll get arrested by the police. Okay. Let's choose the microwave. Sure, we're going to choose it. Let's pick it up. Come on. Oh my gosh, it's too heavy. Oh my gosh, we're about to get hit. Start up. Ralph is strong and I can hold the microwave. Let's go home and have this. Okay, but what are we gonna do? Let's do something very expressive, Penta. Sure, let's go home and do very expressive. Okay, let's get home when the parents go there. 1 eternity later. We're going to put Woody in the microwave. Ha 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 ha. Let's don't do it to me. Oh, don't put the microwave. Don't do it. Oh. Oof. Close. Turn it on. Beep, beep. What happened to you? Flower, Pencil, Sidebug, King Candy, and Wizard Jane. Did you both just put Woody in the microwave? Yes. Tell me right now. Okay. Yes, we did. We're so sorry. Huh? Flower, Pencil, Sidebug, King Candy, and Wizard Jane. Then my wizard counterpart. I'm sorry. Flower, Pencil, Sidebug, King Candy, and my wizard counterpart. How dare you put Woody in the microwave? That's it. I'm calling the police to arrest you both. Meanwhile, Flower, Pencil, Sidebug, King Candy, and Wizard Jane, you both are under arrest for putting Woody in the microwave. Come with me to the police car now. Wow! Bah! Okay, Woody, I'll rush you in the hospital because you're gone to the microwave. Lift him up. Yeah! Woody being lifted up, so I need to rush him to the hospital. This is your cells. You both will be staying there for the rest of your lives. Goodbye. It looks like we have visitors for you both to talk to you. Flower, Pencil, Sidebug, King Candy, and Wizard Jane. How do they both put Woody in the microwave? Now Woody died. That's it. When you both leave this jail, you'll be staying there for 10 minutes. You both will be staying there in 60 seconds. Now we need to rush Woody into the hospital. Now stay in there. Okay, we got to rush him into the hospital. Oh my gosh, we can't believe we just put Woody in the microwave and then we got arrested.